Hi viewers, welcome back, and you are watching Mechatronics Solution channel, and in today's video we will learn about our second electronic component, transistor, which is widely used in the ECMs. So what is the transistor? So a transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplification, switching, oscillation and filtering the electronic signals. So in simple words, we can say that transistor is an electronic device which is used to control and regulate the electronic signal. So today I will only discuss about the types of transistor. As you know, it's the main two types, BJT and FETs. So I will discuss why and where use FET and where use the BJT, and what is the difference between FETs and BJT. Transistor have main two types, BJTs and FETs. BJT means bipolar junction transistor and FETs mean field effect transistors. BJTs have two more types. One is NPN and second one is PNP. And FETs have two more branches, more types, MOSFET and JFETs. MOSFET mean metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, junction field effect transistor. It also has the more types, but I don't want to discuss the types. But today's video we only learn about the BJTs and FETs, where and why we use FETs, where and why we use BJTs. But because both type of transistor are used for amplification and for switching, so I just only talk about the difference. What is the difference between the FETs and the BJTs? So I will discuss about the difference between BJTs and FETs. There's a three terminals, and as the name is a base, collector and emitter. It also have the three terminals. Its name is a gate, drain and source. Second point is there is a flow of both majority and minority charge carriers. But here there are only majority charge carrier flows. Okay. Third point is that BJTs are current controlled, but FETs are voltage controlled. BJT have high current gain, but FETs have low current gain. Number 5, BJT switching speed is slower, when our FETs switching speed is faster. Number 6, BJTs generate more noise, FETs generate less noise. Number 7, manufacturing cost is less for BJTs, but the FETs have the high manufacturing cost. It is very costly, but it is a cheap one. BJTs consume high power, FETs consume low power. Number 9, and last one, BJT has high voltage drop, whenever FETs have less voltage drop. So these are the little difference between BJTs and FETs. So now I will talk about the application of the BJTs and FETs. Where are they used? So first I talk about the BJTs. So first of all, it is used in the multivibrator. This is the first use. Second one, it is used as an amplifier. Third one, it is used in oscillators. Fourth one, it is used in timers and time delay circuits. Number 5, it is used in electronics switching circuits. So this was the use of the BJTs, and what is so now is the FETs. So first use of FETs. FET is used in FM devices for amplification of a frequency. So second one is it is used in the memory chips. Number 3, it is used in a operational amplifier as a variable voltage resistor. Number 4, it is used in TV and FM receiver for mixer operation. Last one is it is used in constructing the mixer circuit. So viewers, this was today is a small introduction of the transistor, their types, and the difference between the types and the application of the transistor. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. If